Hello guys, today we're gonna make Barramundi fish. It's gonna cook very yummy. I'm cooking with my dad. Turmeric powder and salt. Now I'm gonna pour the turmeric powder. Next I'm gonna add salt and spread it all around. Mix it with my hand. I'm gonna add some oil and hot flame. I'm gonna add some chili powder. Water, a little bit more. Fish gravy looks so yummy. And now we're gonna add the fish that we just fried. I just want to eat it right now, but it's not finished yet. We'll need to do more steps. Tasting time of our fish. Our fish is already done and it's so yummy looking. Oh my gosh, I want to taste it so quickly. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Fish is made by me and Bubba. So yummy. 1finity out of 10. This is the best fish I ever tasted. Thank you, Bubba. I appreciate it. Guys, let me know if you want to see more cooking videos. Follow us. Thank you for watching. Bye.